Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the essential elements of tomato cultivation, the tomato trellis. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding how to properly trellis your tomato plants can make a world of difference in your harvest. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about why trellising tomatoes is so important. First and foremost, it helps support the weight of the plant as it grows and produces fruit. Without proper support, your tomato plants can become tangled, prone to disease, and may even break under their own weight. By trellising, you're not only ensuring healthier plants, but also easier access for pruning, watering, and harvesting. Plus, it can save you valuable garden space, allowing you to grow more tomatoes in a smaller area. Now, let's talk about different types of tomato trellises. You can find various designs in the market, from simple stakes to elaborate structures. Today, we're using a basic stake and string method. Start by placing your stake firmly into the ground next to your tomato plant. Be sure to position it about a foot away from the base of the plant to avoid damaging the roots. Next, gently tie the main stem of the tomato plant to the stake using soft twine or garden tape. Be careful not to tie it too tightly, as this can restrict growth. As your tomato plant grows, continue to tie it to the stake every few inches. This will encourage upward growth and prevent the plant from sprawling across the ground. Another popular method for trellising tomatoes is the Florida weave. This technique involves weaving twine between rows of tomato plants to create a sturdy support system. To do the Florida weave, start by driving wooden stakes at either end of your tomato row. Then, weave twine horizontally between the stakes, looping it around each tomato plant as you go. Repeat this process as your plants grow taller, adding additional layers of twine for support. The Florida weave is a fantastic option for larger tomato plantings and provides excellent support for heavy fruit loads. Whether you choose a simple stake and string method or opt for the Florida weave, trellising your tomato plants is essential for a successful harvest. Not only does it promote healthier growth and easier maintenance, but it also maximizes your garden space. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on this journey through tomato trellising. Happy gardening, and until next time, keep those green thumbs thriving.